Hi class, welcome to week 7. You are prepping for your midterm exam. And so there's a couple things that are a little bit different. And so I wanted to take you through on a video. The very first thing is you have an assignment in week 2 that's going to help prep you for the midterm. And so this is kind of like an easy, fun assignment. What you're going to do is you're going to select your team as you always do. And then you are going to go to Quizlet.com and you're going to make flashcards. And ideally you make flashcards that cover through chapter 7. I would skip 1 and 2 because they're the basis of our textbook and understanding how to read medical reports, but less of a flashcard style chapter. And so it would be helpful to work with your team in order to do this. All you need to do is post the link that you create into the discussion board. Okay, so that's your team discussion board. Easy peasy, making some flashcards, helping you and everyone else study. The next thing I want to point your attention to is next week, because you may want to begin this week, and there's some slight changes. So you are going to do another medical report team wiki. So first of all on this, please keep in mind your teamwork is worth 20% of your grade, and I do have some people who aren't really participating. And so you're going to have a hard time getting a greater than a C in this course without doing your teamwork efficiently and effectively. So keep that in mind. This time you are going to do the same type of medical report, but instead of it being put in your team, I'm having you sign up. And the reason why is wikis in groups don't allow me to do multiple ones with multiple grading. And it's just simpler for you to keep track of your grades and for me to actually grade it. And so what you're going to do, now keep in mind I'm the faculty member, I'm not on a team, so this looks different for me, is you are going to select this. At this point, you will see that you can join any team. You need to join the team you're on. So if right now you're in team 1, join team 1. If you're in team 2, join team 2. Once you do this, everything will look exactly the same. And so let me just take you to a different spot. You won't go in this way. Things look different for me than they do for you. But just like normal, everyone is going to enroll, and then you'll go to your group wiki, and here you'll come to your medical report, just like you did before. Many of you did a really good job on this. And so if you follow through just like you did before, you'll do great. One thing I do want to point out, please do not erase these blanks. That actually makes your wiki harder to grade because I track everything you do inside the wiki. And so it would be much better when you edit the wiki, just type into the line. Don't think about having to remove that line. It's no worries at all. In addition, on this wiki, you have chapter 5. You also have some chapter 6. And so you want to roll down. I have them broken out. There's a title here somewhere. There we go. Chapter 6. And so this is the whole purpose of this is you've done one on chapter 4 now. And so now you're going to do a little 5 and a little 6. And this is all about helping you prep and review for your midterm, which is next week. This wiki is due by next Wednesday, a week and 2 days from today. And so you may want to go ahead and enroll in your team and get going. Please enroll in your team within the next couple of days. That way, if you do have a problem, I can help you troubleshoot that issue prior to you needing to be enrolled and you not getting a chance to participate because it was too late. Okay, so go ahead and enroll in your team. It'll take like 1 second. Past that, everything is looking really good. All of your grades are completely up to date. And as I said, your medical reports looked really good. And right now, I just want to focus you in on getting this work done this week as you're prepping for your midterm exam. Have a great week 7.